Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today being Wednesday, we are waiting for interest rate. All right, so today is FOMC. FOMC today at 6 p.m. Ghana time and press conference at 6:30 Ghana time. All right. And federal funds rate, we are expecting neutral, as previous was 5.5 and we are expecting 5.5, but for the rest, since you know there is no data to it, so we can't say much about it. All right, so that's it for today. Now let's go back to the charts. Let me clear. And first of all, daily. What is happening to gold? What is happening to gold? Now, if you look at gold clearly, you can see that after this evening star pattern, which we were expecting massive sell, gold is even struggling, right? It has been struggling with the wick of that previous high. And you can see that yesterday too, it still tested that same wick and it pushed up, right? So what is likely to happen today being FOMC? Now you can see that for 2 solid days, it gave us pin bars, okay? So until that level is broken, gold cannot sell off. It has to break that 2047 zone. It has to break this particular zone, 2147, for gold to keep selling down. All right. So H4, good. Now, if you look at H4, you can also see a double bottom formation right there. Okay, that's a nice double bottom formation right here, right now. And after the double bottom, you can see a nice bullish engulfing, okay? So what is telling us, is gold flying or gold is selling? Okay, so looking at what is happening right here, double bottom, bullish engulfing, means gold flies. Okay, so according to technicals, H4 time frame, gold flies, right? So this is the level. Good, this is it. So we should wait and see what is going to happen. But for gold to continue on buying, it is advisable to wait for H4 candle breaks above 2160. If a candle closes above that particular level, then gold can hit 2170, 2175, 2185 levels. All right, and then possibly a new high. Okay, yeah, so that is what I personally see. Okay, that's what I personally see. And similarly, if it doesn't hold, okay, if this double bottom doesn't hold and the market wants to sell down, I will rather wait for gold to break here before I will sell it down. Okay? Yeah, I'll wait for gold to break here before I will sell it down to 21.28 and 21.14 levels, 21.12, those areas. All right. So right now, what you need to do is to exercise patience and wait. Okay? Exercise patience and wait. So if you look at H1, you can see what I'm talking about, the double bottom formation right here. And you see the trend line also waiting for a touch. But we have multiple touches on it already. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So probably another touch to the trend line may break it. Okay? Yeah, so don't really rely on that trend line up there. And you can see that now this is creating, what do you call it? A descending channel. Okay? A descending channel whereby the resistance is likely to be broken because the market is respecting the support. So, meaning there is still a buying pressure which can break the trend line for the market to keep buying up. So FOMC, what can happen today during FOMC? Now, during New York session, we are going to see what can happen to gold. All right. So I'm not going to say much, but looking at technicals, H4, H1, gold has potentials to get back to 2176 levels and then 2187 levels. All right, the upside possibility, because the double bottom we saw H4 is not for a joke. But if it breaks, if gold wants to break this level, it will break during New York session, somewhere 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, thereabout. It will break at that time. Once broken, means that we should expect gold right here, 21.25, and then 21.12. All right. So today, these are the levels where we should be expecting gold, any of them above, below. And I have told you how to trade the above, how to trade the below. All right. So what you need to do is to exercise patience, wait for the market to come into the zones, then you execute. All right. So you can see another confirmation for a buy. Another confirmation for a buy. After the market has broken, you can see the market broke the structure to 30 minutes. Broke it, right? Yeah, this level 2 has been broken, and this is the retest for a continuation buy, and you can see a bullish engulfing right here, right? So I will advise you wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes bullish, then you can enter for the buy and target 2163 zones. All right. Yeah. But this is the Asian session, and I will not advise you to trade during Asian session. So, but if you have seen certain things of which you want to take advantage of, you can go ahead and do so. I only trade during the New York and sometimes London. All right. So guys, that is all I see on the chart. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I'll see you in another video and have a nice day.